Hello everybody, welcome to the review of the Hotel Indigo Dresden, Wettiner Platz. The room type is Queen Bed Suite City View. The hotel is in the city center of Dresden, which can be reached in 10 minutes walk to the old town and also the city center. The location itself is little out of the center, but it is easy to get to the center or train station. The nearest train station is Dresden Mitte, which is between Dresden Hauptbahnhof and Dresden Neustadt. I drive myself to the hotel. Good parking in the basement, €15 per day. If it's full, the parking on the street is possible. It's €8 per day and free at night. The Indigo brand is famous in the interior design. Although outside the hotel looks a normal building, the interior is exciting and definitely worth a visit. My room type is the Queen Bed Suite City View. I did book by spending points for a standard room and luckily I get an upgrade. The room is 33 square meters with living area, separate bath and walk-in shower. Instant tea and coffee are offered at minibar. Daily water is in the fridge. The private bathroom have a tub and a sink. This fashionable unit also features views of the inner courtyard. The hotel does not have a restaurant. They provide a small range of food but variety of drinks. The hotel bar offers you the end of the evening with the other guests while enjoying a cocktails. At the same place, they offer a good choice of breakfast. The fitness room is on the underground. They offer 24-hour reception. The hotel is modern, comfortable and clean. Location is okay, food is okay, the drinks are good and also staff is very good. If you are looking for an IHG hotel which near to the city center of Dresden, the Indigo Dresden suits you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.